Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting channel. Today we are talking on tax return where registration of a charity is revoked. So you have to fill form 2046 if the charity registration is revoked. You fill the identification section, the name of the charity, the address, the city, the province, and the postal code. Then you must use guide RC 4424 to complete the tax return when the registration of a charity is revoked to fill out this form properly. So the location of the charity books and record, the name of the person that is in possession of the books and record, the address, the city, the province, the postal code, the telephone number, the contact information. So the name of the person who fill out this return and whom we can contact for more information, the address, the city, the province, the postal code, and the telephone number. Then we go to the summary page. This requires information. They require information. You answer all these questions. Did the charity own any property, including cash or receivable on day one? Yes or no? Did the charity receive any income, gift, or make any expenditure after day one? Yes or no? Did the charity make any appropriate disposition of property at less than fair market value in the 120 days up to day one? Then did the charity have any outstanding debt on day one? Yes or no? Did the charity transfer any property to eligible donee after day one? A summary of the calculation. So you now had section 1, schedule 1 property, schedule 2 income and expenditure, schedule 3 appropriation, then the gross revocation tax. Then you now fill in section B, outstanding debt, transfer to eligible donee, then the allowable deduction on line 102. Then you attach the financial statement for the period beginning the day after the fiscal period and covered by the charity most recent file form T3010 and the registered charity information return and ending on day one. Attach a check or money order for the amount of revocation tax payable to the receiver general, indicate on the check or money order, and the BN number of the charity, and send the completed for return to Charity Directorate in Ottawa. Then the section A of this form is talking of schedule 1, the property. You enter the fair market value of the charity property, cash on hand or in bank, amounts receivable, loans, mortgage, account receivable, investments, capital, property at fair market value, and all other property. So you have them all from line 111 to line 115. Then on schedule 2, the income and expenditure. The income they give from all sources. That is on line 211. Income from government, interest and investment income, gains, losses from the disposition of property, rental income, membership due, and association fee, income from fund raising, income from sale of goods and services and other income. Then the expenditure On line 215, advertising and promotion, interest and bank charges, travel and vehicle, office supplies, expenses, occupancy cost, professional and consulting fee, education and training for staff and volunteers, salaries, wages, benefit and honorarium, expenditure on charity activity and other expenditure. But that will be net income on line 280. Then the portion of the line 270, that is the total expenditure on the charitable activity. Now we go to Schedule 3, appropriate, refer to the guide, RC44, to fill this form, this section. Enter detail of all transactions that occur in the 120-day period ending on day 1. That's mean the definition of an appropriate in this guide. We'll enter it. Then the total appropriation, then section B, that is Schedule 4, outstanding debt. List all debt that were outstanding on the day 1. You enter them, then the outstanding debt. Then you now go to Schedule 5. Transfer property to an eligible donee. Always refer to guide RC4424. Then fill out a separate Schedule 5 for each eligible donee. And additional copies available in the guide. So you must show proof of each transfer to an eligible donee, including the documents such as cancelled check, proof of transfer of title to property, and other supporting documents. So an eligible donee is a charity that meets the following criteria at the time that the property was transferred. Number 1, it's a registered charity under the Income Tax Act. Number 2, more than half of the member of its board of director, trustee, deal at arm's length with each member of the board of director. And number 3, it has filed all its annual information return is from the form T3010. And it is not subject to a suspension of its tax receipting privilege, and it has no unpaid liability under the Income Tax Act or the Excise Tax Act. And it is not the subject of the certificate under the charity registration. Then certificate of eligible, recipient charity name, the BN number, name of authorized of the eligible, and date and signature. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.